It's Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 46 Division Street, Unit 1L, Manville, Rhode Island. It's a first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated. Start a video tour. Walk in, kitchen area here, newer tiled flooring, stainless steel refrigerator, plenty of countertop, cabinet space, undermount sink, granite marble countertops, brand new gas stove, built-in microwave. Bedroom number 1, big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. Straight ahead off the kitchen, we got the bathroom with a shower tub, vanity. Living room area here, very spacious, high ceilings, front entrance to the house right there. Then you got off the living area, bedroom number 2. Big enough for a queen set. If you'd like to apply for 46 Division Street, Unit 1L, Manville, Rhode Island, click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.